Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Bolaji of Simply Simple here. Please don't mind me, I'm having kata as at the time I'm recording this voice over. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching us how to sew down a seamless closure, a closure that does not have a kind of sewn edges, like the edges are sewn thick. This is an example of a seamless closure, and this is how to sew it down. Make sure that the front part is lay flat on the line of the black cap, like so. Is lay flat, making sure that the air is not too much in the front or too much to the back. Make sure it's lay flat, then you draw the back and pin it down. Don't draw too much, just let it lay flat by itself, then you pin down. Then you start by putting your needle like so, exactly the way I'm sewing it, and sew down seamlessly. It's very easy. And this week I use machine sewing to finish up everything. I wish I can show the finished part in this video, but I was not able to show this finished part because all the videos that I made was moved to my laptop, and I don't have my laptop here, and I need to post this video so I can release more space on my phone. Thank you for watching. Bye.